Oh boy, what do we have here at Psychotech Labs? It's a pair of 180 Browning Mark III linears. They're in for check over, tube check, and recap. So without further ado, I guess we'll start on the left side one first. Stay tuned. Psychotech Labs. We'll be right back. Okay. We got a bad tube right there. It's lost its vacuum. And on the underside, it's been recapped at one point in time, but we don't know how long ago. Serious, the caps aren't this big anymore. What are they running in there? 40s at 500. So anyway, yeah, your caps are a lot smaller nowadays. So we're going to go ahead and recap it with the newer caps just to be on the safe side. He said both of these had a hum in them. This one's the one that obviously is the lower power. It wasn't making full power because it's missing a tube. Well, not missing, but it's got a dead tube. So yeah, based on the fact that they didn't really make cappies that big anymore, they're pretty much like that if it's new. Based on that, we're going to make the call and recap it. So there we are. We're going to scrounge up a tube and damn, put some new caps in it. See ya. Okay, so I found actually two used tubes in my stock. Actually, this one looks like it's brand new. So we're testing way up there. Grid emission's good. So that's what we're going to use for the tube in it. Okay, that capacitor bank is done. Got bleeders, new cappies. All we gotta do is mount it in there, variac test it, and we're done with the first one. Yep. Stay tuned. Okay, now our power light's coming on. Yeah, they had a fuse in there that was blown, so we swapped that out. Checked the schematics. It said to put a 20 amp fuse in, so that's what we did. Variac's got it loaded up to 120 volts and it's holding, so we're going to pull the Variac out of line and warm it up and test it out. Be right back. Okay, we're on the 300 watt scale. This is a 100 watt linear. Audio. Getting about 120. Audio. Hello, Rondo. That's what it should do. Okay. 180 number one is done. Recap. One new tube. Psychotech Labs. We're signing off and going to start work on the 180 number two. Okay, out with the old, in with the new. So we're going to take these right here, a piece of PCB board, these right here. Originally the capacitance bank that was in here was two 500 volt capacitors. They're running about, the idle current or idle voltage is about 1,000 according to the schematics. So those capacitors are about $17 a piece. I mean, those are $15. So anyway, we're going to build a whole new capacitance bank for this thing. Right over here, because you know the main B plus voltage wraps around here, and then there's a another bleeder resistor there. We had to cut that bleeder resistor out because we're putting in all new bleeder resistors. So anyway, that's what we're going to do today. Going to build a whole new capacitance bank for the 180 Browning linear. Catch me later. Okay, here it is. It's all done. It's the new capacitance bank I put in. Got new bleeders in there. Got some silicone adhesives to anchor the board, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. But the way it was soldered in there, it wouldn't anyway. So anyway, we're going to now test it on my new Variac and see what it does. Catch me later. Oh boy, it's a new Variac test. Okay, linear is on. Variac is down. Variac is on. Start pumping some power into this bad boy. Oh yeah. $80 volts. Everything's holding. $120. Everything's holding up. Right on. So we slowly brought the capacitors up. Everything seems to be fine. Now we're going to do a power up test and see if it puts out power, which it should because we tested the tubes and everything's good. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is the 180 that does not have the extra knob over here. The other one has an extra knob. Okay. Audio. 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 Got 130, which is about right on target. All right, that is done. All right, there they are. They're all done. A pair of 180s. Oh, baby. All fixed up and ready for new homes. Catch me later. You have a good one. Thanks for watching my channel, everyone. Psychotech Labs signing off.